Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by picking the platform and why that matters for APIs and performance. Initialize a repository and CI so builds run automatically. This prevents drift. Create a minimal app shell with a placeholder camera and gallery UI using scaled sample assets to keep iteration fast. Decide core features now: capture, gallery, basic edits, export formats. Once done, wire a simple state store and a mock camera service so you can build features against interfaces rather than implementation. You now implement the core, camera integration and robust storage. Hook into the native camera API, request permissions at runtime, and handle orientation and flash changes. Store both original files and compressed derivatives, aim for 0. 5 to 1 MB mobile exports to balance quality and size. Build non-destructive edit layers, crop, rotate, exposure, and one-touch filters so users can revert. Once these are in place, add background tasks for compression and thumbnail generation to keep the UI responsive. You finish by polishing export, sync, and UX details. Implement share sheet and optional cloud sync with conflict resolution. Provide aspect presets like 1, 1, and 16:9. Improve perceived performance with caching, an undo stack, and clear error messaging. For testing, run on low-end devices and network throttling. If things go wrong, check memory spikes during large image processing, verify permission flows, and inspect async race conditions. One key tip is to add logging around file I/O to catch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.